Hey guys, this is Ryan here. Just checking back in with you guys. I got a few questions and stuff about navigating the code book. Um, some of the kind of ideas of how to take the tests. There's a few different options that I got. So I'm gonna work on this in the next week or so, trying to get a video out there for you guys that are trying to move forward with this process and help you. One of the biggest things I can tell you is get fast tabs for your code book. They're tabs that tell you the general sections of what you're looking for. That's the best thing you can do to your code book. The other things are exceptions in the code. Exceptions in the code, the test likes to hit on those because there's always an exception to a lot of the codes. So I'm gonna try to get this and get it figured out for you guys. I actually got to get my code book back. I have one of the ladies at work has it. She's trying to get through her test right now. So I might grab another code book and put some fast tabs on it for you guys and go through it. So what I like to do on my code books is I like to go through, and I'll show you when I get mine. I went through and I highlighted sections, kind of something that pertains to, let's say, water heater, the electrical to the water heater. I kind of highlighted that kind of sections because there's a lot of stuff that will not pertain to any of the test, any of your knowledge in there. There's very weird codes and sections. So it's all about finding the section in the code book and inputting the correct answer. It's building inspector. Yes, we do have a lot of knowledge of it. That comes over time. I'm going to tell you right now, you're not going to be coming in knowing every single code. I got guys that they know some codes and nobody knows every code in the book, but we are required to know where to find it. And the biggest thing in my eyes, being an inspector in the field, is being able to walk through a property and say, that doesn't look right. Let's see what the code says about that, because something doesn't look right. That's the biggest thing, and then being able to go find it, which I'll tell you the truth, out in the field, Google is your best friend. Google can find it in the code book so much faster than you can, but for the test, you got to learn and know how to navigate the code book. That's their entire thing, is know how to navigate the code book and find your section that you need. So it's a tricky process, but it's, once you get into it, it's very beneficial. It's just like getting your contractor's license and stuff like that. There's a renewal fee every, I don't remember how long it is now, but there is a renewal, and you got to have like a continuing education, so you take small little increments of training classes on ICC. But if you get your certifications, there's no insurance. There's nothing like your general contractor's insurance. There's nothing that holds you to, oh, I got to let these go. It just benefits you in the long run. The faster you can get these, the better off you'll be. It takes a long time to get in. I'm telling you that right now. To get in with a city, county, government, it takes a long time. But get your certifications. So I'm hoping in the next couple weeks I'll come out with a video kind of showing you guys how to navigate the code book and stuff like that. Currently I'm off work for this week right now. I'm on jury duty. So when I get back next week, I start making some videos also of the processes that I go through and that we take to our inspection process. So keep checking back, like and subscribe, so you can see when I make up my next videos. And I'm gonna continue this. You know, I want to help you guys. Me as a building inspector, I'm here to help. I look at it as I'm a public servant, and I'm here to help. I'm here to walk homeowners through the process of building their house. I'm not here to go tell you, oh, you screwed up. Ah, that's not right. I'm here to help you. I've been through it. I've done it. I'm here to help you through the process. That's the way I look at it. Because I, as a builder, I hated when an inspector come in and said, that's not my problem, it's yours, bye. Or drive up and wave bye as they drove away. I didn't like that. So I think I'm making a difference, and I want to help you guys make a difference. So let's like, subscribe, and wait for some more videos I'm going to be bringing out to help you guys through this process. And hopefully soon I'll be bringing out videos of me actually out in the field doing inspections, so you can kind of see what a day in the field's like. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna keep continuing, and we'll see what we can do. You guys have a good day.